Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove watermark from photos that you are taking from your phone camera. Okay, first of all, open camera in your phone and take a picture. And I open the picture that I took and I am seeing the photo. In the bottom left side, watermark is printed. Okay, see here, www.facultyon.com is printed. Okay, so watermark is already set to my phone camera. If you would like to remove this watermark, what you have to do is go to the phone and go to the phone camera, then go to settings of phone camera here and click on watermark and just to turn off. Just to click on off button so that future photos will not have watermark after taking. See, and open the picture now. See, in the bottom left side there is no such watermark because watermark settings is now turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove watermark for taking photos photos through your camera of your phone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.